Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are going to take a look at Xiaomi Redmi Note 9. I got the version with 4GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. Also the color is midnight gray. Here we have the SIM tray, paperwork, and a simple gel skin case. We have the phone itself. We can see some specifications here. 48 megapixel camera, 5020 milliamperes of battery, a 6.3 Full HD display, and we have the processor Helio G85. On the box we have the standard stuff, only the charging brick, Type-C cable, which is Type-C from one side and Type-A on the other. We have a fast charging brick. Let's try it with the case. So this is how it's going to look like with a case. We have a small amount of resistivity here, and we have the cutouts for the speaker and the headphone jack, while the charging port is closed. These are the quad cameras here. We have the fingerprint sensor and the flashlight, while on the right side we have the volume buttons and the power button. Below we have the Type-C port, headphone jack and the speaker. On the top we have the IR blaster and another microphone. Fresh out the box, this phone has MIUI 11. Let me just skip through everything here and go straight to the menu. Now for a size comparison, this is the Samsung Galaxy A11, and on the front it's almost the same size as the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9. This is the A31, this is the Note 9. They are practically the same, almost the same bezel even on the bottom, while in difference with the A31, the Redmi Note 9 is wider. Now at maximum brightness you can see the difference here with the A11. And you can see the difference here with the A31. We have Android 10 straight out of the box with MIUI version, MIUI 11. We have MIUI 12 as a stable update, so I'm just going to go ahead and install that. What's new is that we have some system animations, visuals, floating windows, a new control center. We have dark mode improved, optimization, a better home screen, and a lot of other features. Also, we see that we have a lot of other options here on the camera. On the video quality, we can record up to 1080p with 30 frames per second. We can choose to do an AI shot, artificial intelligence shot, 48 megapixel Ultra HD. Okay, first impressions are that this is not the fastest in the world, but just give it some time. Also, if you think that the phone is slow, you can always try and reduce animations on the phone. Also, uninstall these games if you want to. So yeah, this was the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.